Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check Ford Explorer transmission fluid. First, always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is off and cool before starting any work. Safety is paramount, so gather your tools and refer to your owner's manual for the exact procedure, as methods vary significantly between models. This guide provides general steps. Locating the transmission fluid checkpoint can be tricky. Older Ford Explorers typically have a yellow or red dipstick under the hood, similar to the engine oil dipstick. However, many newer models do not have this. Instead, you'll find a fill or check plug directly on the transmission, often requiring the vehicle to be raised and level for access. Once you've located the checkpoint, warm the transmission fluid by driving for about 15 minutes. With the engine running and the vehicle in park on a level surface, remove the dipstick or fill plug. Wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again. The fluid level should fall between the designated minimum and maximum marks on the dipstick or indicate a steady drip from the fill plug. If your fluid level is low, add the specific type of transmission fluid recommended in your owner's manual using a clean funnel. Add small amounts at a time, rechecking the level frequently to prevent overfilling, which can cause foaming and damage. Regular checks and proper fluid levels are crucial for transmission longevity. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.